Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club. Let's take a brief intro into today's crypto updates before going into the details. According to a research study by HedgewithCrypto, the year 2022 noted a 46% increase in the total number of cryptocurrency matters related lawsuits. Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett reveals in her latest tweet that Gary Gensler, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission chair, is attempting to control all of crypto overnight. Bank of America reports that platforms like Gauntlet are driving the evolution of DeFi applications, but cautions that regulatory barriers to entry, poor user interfaces and limited functionality likely prevent mainstream adoption in the short term. Amid Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange standing up for crypto staking and economic freedom, the online community has also urged the company to support XRP. XRP price has maintained acute strength throughout the crypto market's turmoils, displaying immense strength. Dark Defender, who predicts XRP price to trade between $13 to $22 soon. Futurum Research has partnered with Ripple to explore the benefits and challenges around CBDCs and why this new technology could transform the world. Before we dive deep into today's updates, please subscribe to our Blockchain News Club channel. It will help us immensely. SEC responsible for 46% of all crypto lawsuits in 2022. Unregistered offerings rack up most cases. Although the position of rules in the cryptocurrency market is still unclear, the judicial actions show that there are growing worries about losses coming from this industry. The increasing number of litigation in the cryptocurrency market is evidence that the government will only get tougher in the future. The overall number of cases involving cryptocurrency is expected to climb by 46% by 2022, according to an analysis by HedgewithCrypto. A total of 41 lawsuits were filed throughout the course of the year, an increase of 7 over the 34 cases brought in 2020. 22 of these 41 lawsuits were class action securities lawsuits, and 19 of them were filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC has been tenacious in its pursuit of the cryptocurrency sector, and this was also evident in 2020, when the Commission filed 64% of all lawsuits. Despite a decline in the percentage in 2022, 46% of the 41 cases were SEC filed. Gary Gensler to control all of crypto, reveals Terrett. In her most recent tweet, Fox Business writer Eleanor Terrett claims that Gary Gensler, the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, is trying to take control of the whole cryptocurrency market overnight. Earlier today, Terrett tweeted to her followers that Gary Gensler was planning a midnight bloodbath to seize control of the whole cryptocurrency industry. This statement is consistent with the Commission's strategy of initiating one enforcement case at a time to establish regulatory policy for cryptocurrencies. The Securities and Exchange Commission, the New York Department of Financial Services, and the United States Office of the Comptroller of the Currency will bring a variety of enforcement actions against exchanges, banks, and entities that mint tokens in the coming weeks in an effort to classify the majority of them as securities, according to Terrett. In accordance with Gensler's regulation, the SEC intends to act unilaterally rather than wait for Congress to approve legislation that specifies the conditions under which the U.S. securities laws apply to digital assets. Terrett discloses. I'm told Gensler's strategy is to bring as many enforcement actions as possible while the 118th Congress is still getting its bearings. The SEC has made a number of stringent policy announcements on the laws and standards that it expects Bitcoin businesses to follow ever since the end of last year. As a result, the cryptocurrency sector has sharply attacked the agency for its rigid regulations, and both crypto companies and investors have unitedly opposed the SEC. The SEC allegedly revised or relaxed its laws in response to pressure from the cryptocurrency industry in order to appear more concerned before the U.S. judiciary about the crypto businesses that fell under their purview. However, Terrett's new statement that the SEC intends to implement laws immediately will put the crypto business in the U.S. into a tailspin. Bank of America reports innovation to expand decentralized finance functionality over time. Following the correction in the markets for digital assets last year, attention and resources were diverted from speculative trading to initiatives with practical applications. The existing functionality of decentralized finance, however, barely scratches the surface, according to a study report released on Wednesday by Bank of America. However, the bank warns that regulatory impediments to entry, poor user interfaces, and limited functionality likely preclude mass acceptance in the medium term. Platforms like Gauntlet, according to the bank, are pushing the evolution of DeFi applications. Gauntlet is a platform for modeling and simulating financial risks that advises on how to improve applications. DeFi is a catch-all phrase for a multitude of blockchain-based financial applications. The inability to identify customers, access credit ratings, and comply with KYC/AML standards limits use cases to trading platforms and over-collateralized lending products, which generates regulatory headwinds and hinders widespread adoption, according to analysts Alkesh Shah and Andrew Moss. The functionality frontier of DeFi may be opened up by soul-bound tokens, or non-transferable identity and reputation (NFT), although most of the current applications are less than 3 years old and will need time to mature, according to the note. According to the report, DeFi applications require development to produce a differentiated product and positive user experience, which drives adoption and usage, and increasing adoption and usage result in increasing revenues and native token appreciation if properly designed, both of which can be reinvested in development. The bulk of DeFi apps, according to Bank of America, are still in their infancy. Nevertheless, we remain in the early phases of a big transformation in applications that may take place over the next 30 years. Longer term, the bank believes that the creation of DeFi applications with practical functionality will boost the effectiveness of conventional financial services and products. The bank believes that the development of these applications will optimize the trade-offs between user incentives and risks. Community urges Coinbase to relist XRP as CEO fights for staking. The online community has encouraged Coinbase to offer XRP in addition to the exchange's support of crypto staking and economic freedom. On February 9, Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal asserted that the termination of Kraken staking services had no impact on Coinbase's staking program. The CEO claimed that while Coinbase's staking services are fundamentally different and are not securities, Kraken's staking platform is basically delivering a yield product. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, also posted on Twitter on Thursday to say that the exchange will keep defying the government when it comes to safeguarding services like staking. He complained about the lack of clear staking regulations, adding, "We will keep fighting for economic freedom, our mission at Coinbase. Some days being the most trusted brand in crypto means protecting our customers from government overreach." Armstrong's aspirations for economic independence drew an immediate response from the community, with many condemning Coinbase for avoiding XRP after delisting the coin in 2020. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that the company broke securities laws by selling XRP coins, which prompted the decision to halt XRP trading. One cryptocurrency fan questioned on the Twitter thread, "Is delisting XRP a good example of Coinbase defending clients from government overreach?" The community has also promoted the hashtag #RelistXRP hashtag once more on Twitter, with many highlighting the fact that, despite more than 2 years of Ripple's legal struggle with the SEC, XRP has not yet been deemed a security. If Coinbase genuinely wanted to demonstrate that they are opposing the SEC, they would just hashtag #RelistXRP. Seriously, it hasn't even been listed as a security yet. One market watcher claimed, "Coinbase and Brian Armstrong are nothing but a bunch of cowards." In addition, many pro-crypto activists brought to a recent judicial victory concerning the purchase of LBRY credits tokens, drawing comparisons to XRP. The sale of LBRY tokens in the secondary market does not constitute a security, the SEC acknowledged in writing on January 30. This implies that participants like Coinbase can provide LBC trading without any repercussions. After LBRY's legal team and DTN were successful in getting the SEC to confirm on the record that secondary market sales of cryptocurrencies, such as those carried out by exchanges, do not constitute securities transactions, Twitter user Avisen wrote that Coinbase and other exchanges should immediately list XRP. A significant cryptocurrency that is unique to the Ripple protocol that was introduced in 2012, XRP aims to offer financial features including a cross-border payment method. XRP has maintained its position as one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world by market value despite being embroiled in a protracted legal dispute with the SEC over the past few years. According to data from CoinGecko, at the time of writing, XRP has a market valuation of close to $20 billion, ranking it as the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency. XRP bull run triggered, price to form new ATH above $10 soon. The bulls have maintained the price above the support levels since the bullish trend in the XRP price has been confidently resumed. Following the rejection of the SEC's claims that LBRY was not secure, sentiments became incredibly positive. Since then, the ZERP has been driving the price up by hoping for a similar conclusion in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. After a few negative daily closures, the price discovered a base that would eventually lead to a resurgence. The price of XRP is currently trying to recoup and testing one of the crucial milestones at a 50-day MA. Dark Defender, a well-known analyst who prefers to remain unknown, has noticed that the cryptocurrency is flashing a very positive indicator and believes that the price of XRP will soon trade between $13 and $22. The expert here emphasizes how the monthly MACD wave is shifting from bearish to bullish. Previously, the token experienced a bull run and surged by more than 900% to establish highs near to $2 when the MACD turned positive in October 2020. Furthermore, the price is currently moving along the lower rising trend line, which suggests that the upcoming 10x to 15x rise might push the price of XRP above a double-digit level in the near term. Ripple powering the next evolution of central bank digital currencies. Futurum Research has partnered with Ripple to explore the benefits and challenges around CBDCs and why this new technology could transform the world. Over the past 10 years, digital change and disruption, particularly in the financial sector, have moved quickly. We've seen examples of recent market disruptors like PayPal and Zelle. In the finance industry, new technologies like blockchain and distributed ledger technology have also led to the development of new procedures. The tokenization of everything has been one of the areas that has undergone the most development in recent years. We now use tokens to represent the value of digital kinds of money. More financial organizations are investigating the usage of central bank digital currency as this field continues to develop. Our most recent study brief, Ripple Powering the Next Evolution of Central Bank Digital Currencies, produced in collaboration with Ripple, examines the advantages and difficulties of CBDCs and explains why this novel technology has the potential to revolutionize society. CBDCs have the power to change the world. They will eventually make money transactions instant and eliminate the inconvenience of cross-border payments and transfers. Millions of people could be helped out of poverty if everyone had access to basic banking services. Such a vision, such a promise, requires a reliable and capable technology to support it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates in the blockchain community.